Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick formula video on a client of mine that went quite a bit shorter, but wanted to go darker close to her natural without feeling too solid. You see she has some caramely tones in there that we have done before. She obviously likes that natural look. If you'd like to see how we accomplish this, just stay tuned. If you like these videos and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Starting off, we just applied the 505N in Socolor. She does have like just a few grays, but they are very stubborn. And then we applied the 4N and the 5NW for the remaining 20 minutes of processing time. And this is our after result. The 5NW just keeps the tones warm and so the caramels can shine through. The best way to explain a color like this is when you have a piece of wood and you can stain it darker, but you still see the grain. The same idea with using the shades glosses, a demi, liquid colors that you will tone down those highlights to be close, all evened out, but you'll still see the dimension shining through. Also, by using this technique, when she wants to go lighter, because she may want to go lighter back in the spring, it'll be easy to do so because the color will slowly fade off. I can just add a few more caramely highlights and it won't be damaged. If you learned something new from this video or just enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me keep getting these videos out to you. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to do that, and I'll be back soon. Bye.